So we want to look at our next application question. It's a sample SSC question, twice appearance. That is what we have seen so far. In the diagram, PQ is parallel, right? This thing here means parallel. It's parallel to our arrays. So this and this are parallel. Are you okay? Angle QPT is 70. QPT, the one in the middle is the carrier of the angle. Angle PTR is 30. Find X. Any idea? Find X. What do you think we do? Find X. Okay. Somebody said I should draw a symmetry from here like this, right? Good. Then what again? There is something here in the question. Don't worry. There is something here, okay? Good. But this is 30. You see PTR 30. So put it there, right? So another one where. So what am I dealing with this before you talk about another one? Now if you want to use this approach, it means this and this. This is their exterior. Do you believe that? Are you aware? So if this is their exterior, this is up, under. Then when I get something here, I have to do a straight line angle to generate something here. Then what is here under here can correspond. Then I get my X. Do you see that? So this and this is what you can see, or maybe W. After getting W, I have to get a straight line angle at this corner. Then this corner here and then that one here are corresponding, right? And I get it. That's a long way. Try this. Wow. If this is 70 here, should be 70. I just introduced the angles, so I use a broken line. Did you see that? This and this are what we call what? Correspondent. You see that? They are correspondent. So, do you know that 30 and 70 has an exterior called X? Good. That's all. Good job. So that's the end of the work. 30 plus 70 equals X. The reason is what? Sum of two opposites equals what? Exterior. 100 equals X. Let's close. So the beauty is that you can see them in so many forms. You can see them very complicated. You can also see them very simple. You just have to take your time and identify the angle. That's all. What they said here was true, but they were complicated issues. You saw it? Good. Now the next one here. Can you attention here? Find the value of the reflex angle Y. Look at where Y is. Good. What will I do to this work? So the symmetry lines that you draw are welcome. Yeah, you can always do that. Yeah, that's what I do. Good. So I'll this way, that is, you said it's this way? Okay. Yeah. Once I have here 40, here is also what? What is the reason behind that? Again. Alternate angles, right? Now, how will I get here? I wish I have something here, right? Then it will alternate to this corner, right? Now I'll just go straight and say angle around a point. Ah, I'm true. But I don't have something here. Can you get something here? Oh, is that not straight line approach? Then you alternate the answer here with this corner. Then it will be angles around a point. 360, then Y is free. Or this corner and this corner can be co-interior. So 140 plus something here equals 180 co-interior. Yeah, any of the method you want to use. You can try this one too. So they call it B, right? So 140 plus B equals 180. Do you believe that? What is B? 40. Now do you know this side is also 40? And what is the reason behind it? Alternate, right? So this side is also called B, right? This is also B, right? Okay, now you have B, right? Now can you get everything there? 40 plus B plus Y equals what? 360. That is angles what? Around what? A point. Now 40, B is also what? Let's look at what is going on. Are you sure? Okay, B is also 40 plus Y equals what? 360. Y equals 360 minus what? 80. Yes. Yes, it's a reference angle. It's greater than 180, but less than what? 360. Are you okay here? So that is it for angle properties of triangles. I'm going to break. Angle properties of quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the property. The sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360. A plus B plus C plus D gives what? 360. Application time. Find the size of the letter angle. So this A. This vectors, this symbol here is 90, right? 90 degrees. There is nothing here. I need A. Why don't I fix something here and go sum of interior angles of quadrilateral? When I finish, what I fix here is vertical opposite to this. You believe? And I'll just get my good. Welcome to geometry. Now let's go. I can fix X here. So sum of interior of a quadrilateral. They add up to 360. Now 85 plus 125 plus 90 plus X equals what? 360. Yeah. 300 plus X equals what? 360. X equals 360 minus 300. X is what? Now, A is also equal to 60. Right? For A and X are what? Vertical opposite angles. So that's it. Are you okay? Happy. Now the next one. I want B. So I can just get my B straight away. Do you believe that? That is straight line angles. Okay? Straight line. So B is 180 minus what? 115. B is what? 65 degrees. So I have my B. Now, this is ready, this is ready, this is ready. But this corner, there is nothing here, right? So I can just call that place C, you don't mind. So sum of interior, once again, sum of interior of quadrilateral equals what? 360. B plus 105 plus 120 plus C equals what? 360. Now B is 65 plus 105 plus 120 plus C equals what? 360. C equals 360 minus 290, right? 70. Okay, so that is angle properties of what? Quadrilaterals. Let's go to special quadrilaterals. Let's go. And special quadrilaterals. A square, all sides equal. Rectangle, two opposite sides are equal, right? Top, side. That's why we have the same design. Rhombus, all sides equal. A rhombus has two of its opposite internal angles equal. This is A, that's a rhombus. This B, that's a rhombus, right? A line of symmetry, that's what you see. A kite, one pair of opposite angle equal. The angle here is equal to the angle here. There is 90, 360. You see that? Now, two pair of opposite sides parallel. Now, there is our opposite face to face. They are parallel. Double cars, they are the same. Single car, they are the same, right? Parallelogram. Two opposite sides equal. Trapezium. Two sides are parallel, but they are unequal. One is longer than one. It means a rectangle and a triangle forms what? A trapezium. Application time. The diagram is not below. The diagram beside is a rhombus. Angle WYX is 20. WYX 20. What is the value of angle XZY? XZY. So we are looking for this side. You believe that? Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles make up a rhombus, or 2 big triangles make up a rhombus. Do you see that? Okay. Now how can you do this work? Looks like it's going to be complicated, right? Now do you know this is an isosceles? Who can tell me why? I introduced something, so it's a broken line. Yes, why is it an isosceles? Yeah, both sides are equal. So this and this is equal, this and this is equal. You were told that isosceles has all sides equal. So don't you know the body of isosceles and the body of rhombus is an isosceles? Good. So for this, these are their base angles. You believe that? Blue matter. These are their base angles, right? Good. So I can just label these triangles. I can label them blue. I can label them so that we can follow through. I call here A, B, C, D, right? It's an isosceles. Good. So isosceles, base angles are equal, right? So the reason here is what? Isosceles. Base angles equal. That's the meaning, right? Okay. So I can consider triangle B. Why will I consider triangle B? I am considering triangle B because I have something here 20. If I go to A, there's nothing I can do. There's 90. You believe that? Now I can look for this side. So maybe I can fix the Y. You see? Okay. So there is sum of what? Interior of what? A triangle is equal to what? 180. So I have 20 plus 90 plus Y equals what? 180. Y equals 180 minus what? 110. Y equals what? 70. So if this side is 70, this side is also 70. Do you believe that? Let me call that value X because there was X there. So if this is X, there is also X. How do you believe that? Good. So therefore, angle XZY is also what? 70. Why? Isosceles has base angle what? Equal. Welcome to application. In the diagram, MNOP is a rhombus. PQNO is a kite. A kite in a rhombus. Find angle QPO. What do you have to do? The whole thing is a rhombus and the kite is inside. Now we want QPO. QPO. So we want the angle here. What will you do? Those with the geometric eyes. Guys, it's about a kite and a rhombus. What do you think we can do? That's true. He said I should draw a line from this side to go. That's true. Now what would that line do for me? N and P out. Thank you. That's the first line of action. A kite has what? Two opposite angles equal. And what will you do? So what will be there? A rhombus has what? Two opposite angles equal. Do you remember? That's all. The work is over. This. But you look at the work as if it's so complex, right? It is not. You just need to get an eye. Now let's go. How do I get it? Rhombus, opposite, two pair of what? Opposite angles equal. That's a rhombus, two pair of opposite angles equal. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4. It has become a polygon or what you call a quadrilateral, right? So what would I say? Sum of interior of what? The quadrilateral should give me what? 360. 120 plus x plus x plus 76 equals what? 360. 2x. That's 360 minus something. 196. Yes. That was a compulsory question for 4 marks.